Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you these liners I have for my shelves. They are awesome, and I'm going to show you them in action. So here are the liners when we just cut them to fit each drawer and put them in place so you can see how they are keeping some things staying still and not going all over the place. We use these in our RV. So it's lots of movement in an RV. Things are always falling down, but this really helped prevent a lot of things from falling down. Here, this is the whole roll of this shelf liner. It's not sticky on the bottom of this shelf liner, which I like because if I decide I want to move it around or I want to change the pattern up, I am not ruining my shelving at all with this. I used this in my RV and things kept pretty still. You can see the amount of stuff I put on there. Things moved around, not people. And even though they moved a bit, I did not have a complete catastrophe on my hands. I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.